Hi everyone, my name is Vela Pistole from Nyathela ICBC. I'm married to Nyathela Stole and we have two beautiful kids, both girls, one 5 and the other 6 months old. This is our church. So yeah, every Sunday we have about 60 people coming to our church, which are 3 men, 13 women, and 17 young people, and about 30 children. We are glad that in the past year we received a borehole or a well to use in our church. It is very helpful because in the past we used to pay the Swaziland Water Service Water Corporation about 600 per month for the usage of water. Now we are able to have water without paying any money, and it's helpful for the kids at our preschool, and it's helpful to us, to our garden that we started last year. Since we are in a dry area, now we don't have the scarcity of water, and we hope that we're gonna grow more crops in the garden so that we can sell to the community. Just this month, we have planted 500 cabbages in our garden that we want to sell to local people and other shops in the nearest town. Me as Vela P, the pastor of this ICBC, and my wife and 2 children, Letobuhle and Tandoluhle, we're very thankful to you for your support and prayers. Because we are encouraged as you pray for us. We believe that God will help us as you continue praying for us to transform this community.